Welcome to our latest video all about conducting a SWOT analysis for your business. If you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or even just someone interested in understanding how to evaluate your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, then this video is for you. A SWOT analysis is a critical tool for assessing the current state of your business, identifying areas for improvement, and developing strategies for growth and success. By taking a deep dive into your company's internal and external factors, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of where your business stands in the market, what your competitors are doing, and what opportunities are available to you. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of conducting a SWOT analysis from start to finish, providing you with tips and insights that you can apply to your own business right away. So grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take your business analysis skills to the next level.
Are you struggling to identify the strengths and weaknesses of your business, or unsure about the opportunities and threats that lie ahead? A SWOT analysis could be just what you need to gain a deeper understanding of your business and develop a successful strategy.
A SWOT analysis is a tool that businesses use to identify their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It can help you identify areas where you need to improve, as well as opportunities that you may not have considered. And by understanding the threats that your business may face, you can prepare for the future and minimize potential risks.
So how do you conduct a SWOT analysis for your business?
The first step is to identify your strengths. These are the things that your business does well, and that set you apart from your competitors. This could include things like your unique selling proposition, your talented team, or your strong customer base.
Once you've identified your strengths, it's time to look at your weaknesses.
Your weaknesses are areas where your business needs improvement. This could include things like outdated technology, poor customer service, or a lack of marketing expertise.
Next, let's look at opportunities.
Opportunities are external factors that could benefit your business. This could include things like a growing market, new technologies, or changes in regulations that favor your industry.
Finally, it's time to identify potential threats.
Threats are external factors that could harm your business. This could include things like economic downturns, changes in consumer behavior, or increased competition.
Now that you've identified your SWOT, what do you do with it?
The next step is to use your SWOT analysis to develop a strategy for your business. This could include focusing on your strengths to differentiate yourself in the market, addressing your weaknesses to improve your operations, taking advantage of opportunities to grow your business, and preparing for potential threats to minimize risk.
And don't forget, a SWOT analysis is not a one-time event. Your business is constantly evolving, so it's important to revisit your SWOT analysis on a regular basis to ensure that you're staying on top of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
And if you're not sure where to start with your SWOT analysis, consider working with a professional or attending a business workshop to get some guidance and support.
So there you have it, a quick guide to conducting a SWOT analysis for your business. By taking the time to identify your SWOT, you can develop a more successful and sustainable business strategy. So why not give it a try? With the power of a SWOT analysis at your fingertips, you can take your business to the next level and achieve your goals. Here's some additional tips. 1. How to gather information for your SWOT analysis. Before conducting your SWOT analysis, you'll need to gather information about your business, your competitors, and your industry. This could include market research, customer feedback, and industry reports. Make sure to gather as much information as possible to ensure that your SWOT analysis is comprehensive and accurate. 2. How to prioritize your SWOT. Once you've identified your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, it's important to prioritize them based on their level of importance and relevance to your business. This will help you focus your efforts on the most important areas and develop a more targeted strategy. 3. How to use your SWOT to inform your business strategy. Your SWOT analysis should inform every aspect of your business strategy, from product development and marketing to customer service and operations. Use your SWOT to identify areas for improvement, capitalize on opportunities, and minimize potential risks. 4. Examples of successful businesses that have used SWOT analysis. You can include examples of businesses that have successfully used SWOT analysis to develop their strategy, such as Apple and Amazon. This can help inspire your viewers and show them the tangible benefits of conducting a SWOT analysis. 5. Tips for revisiting your SWOT analysis. As mentioned earlier, a SWOT analysis is not a one-time event. It's important to revisit your SWOT analysis on a regular basis to ensure that you're staying on top of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You can provide tips for revisiting your SWOT, such as scheduling regular check-ins, involving your team in the process, and staying up to date on industry trends and developments. By including these additional tips for your business, you can do a successful SWOT analysis.
Overall, conducting a SWOT analysis is a crucial step for any business owner who wants to understand their strengths and weaknesses, identify opportunities and threats, and develop a successful strategy for their business. By following the simple steps outlined in this video, you can gain a deeper understanding of your business and take the necessary steps to achieve your goals. So why not give it a try today and see the results for yourself? And that's it for our guide on conducting a SWOT analysis for your business. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that you're now equipped with the tools you need to assess your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Remember, a SWOT analysis is not a one-time activity, but rather an ongoing process that you should regularly revisit as your business evolves and changes. By staying on top of your business's internal and external factors, you can proactively identify areas for improvement, capitalize on new opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. If you have any questions about conducting a SWOT analysis or if you want to share your own tips and tricks, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content on business strategy, marketing, and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.